Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can install your Ring Chime or Chime Pro step by step, so let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're in, tap Set up a device from the dashboard. Then select Chimes or Chime Pro as the device type. Choose the location where you want the chime to be used or add a new location. After that, tap I'm ready to scan the QR code on the Chime device. If the scan fails, choose Other Options and enter the PIN manually. The app will ask for location permissions, allow them. Next, you'll plug the chime into a wall outlet. If the light doesn't start flashing, press and hold the button on the side of the device for about 5 seconds until it does. Now the app will ask you to join the Ring Wi-Fi network and then select your home Wi-Fi and enter its password. After the device connects, you'll be prompted to give the chime a name. Tap Continue to finish setup. If you're using the Chime Pro and want it to act as a Wi-Fi extender, follow the additional prompts to connect your Ring devices to the Chime Pro network. Once everything is connected and configured, your chime is ready. You'll hear alerts from your Ring doorbells through it and, if applicable, benefit from extended Wi-Fi coverage. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.